Hello everyone. Welcome back to Grammar 8. I'm Dr. Paramita Mishra and here we go from where we stopped. So last time we spoke, we were discussing about communication and language, and of course then we spoke about the alphabet and the 26 letters in the alphabet. Today we see the sounds that these letters produce. Let's start with A. A has 4 common sounds. A very short A as in at, cat, fan, jam. A long one as in make, take, came. Ah as in last, palm, path. O as in all, wall. Coming to B. B, being a consonant, has only one sound. B, as in bed, ball, cap. Sometimes B is silent, as in tet, dumb, plumber, climb, comb, lamb. Let's get on to C. C has 2 sounds. K, as in cake, cut, coat. S, as in city, cycle. D. D has 1 sound. D, as in test, door, read. D is doubled when it is preceded by a vowel and the ending again begins with a vowel like budding, wedding, hidden. E. The next vowel has 2 sounds. A very short one as in bed, bed, leg, pen. And a long one as in we, he, me, she. Let's get on to F. For 1 sound. Feet, free, fun, shelf. F is usually doubled after a short vowel. Traffic, suffer. G has 2 sounds. G as in got, dug, girl. When G is followed by E, I or Y, it says J as in giant, gypsy, gem. Now coming to H. H has 2 sounds. H as in hold, held, hide. H combines to form ch, p, sh, th, w as in chain, phone, sharp, 3, where. The next vowel I has 2 sounds again. A short I as in hit, if, into, and a long I as in bind, glide, pine, shine. J. J has 1 sound. J as in chest, jaw, jump. And a very strange thing, J never ends as English word. The sound J after a very short vowel is always spelled as J, DGE, as in ledge, forage, hedge. Coming to K, it has 2 sounds. K as in cake, silk, sank. K after short vowels is spelled as CK and sounds as kapak, sick, tick. K is silent as in no, knife, night, knee. Let's get on with L. 1 sound L as in leg, lame, bullet. L is doubled when it comes after a short vowel. Ball, fell, doll. L is silent as in calf, yoke, half. Next get on to M. M. M says mug, mouse, swim. Double the M when it comes after a short vowel. Swim, swimming. N. N says na, as in nut, nest, and funny. N is doubled when it follows a short vowel and we add an ending. For example, win, winning, funniest. The next vowel O has three sounds. A short O as in ox, box, mop. A long O as in bone, note. A short U sound as in brother, done, front. P, P as in top, plant, stop. Q says qua as in queen. And Q is always followed by U, quiet. Let's get on with R. R says R as in rob, rope, drap. S has two sounds. S as in sat, sent, less, mass. And Z as in has, was. S is often doubled when it follows a short vowel as in his, boss. Next, get on to T. T. T says T as in tip, pet, butter. T is often joined with H to make the sound th as in threw, moth. The last vowel U makes three sounds. A short U as in cut, bun, fun. A long U as in tune, uniform, mule. And a short oo sound as in put, pull, pull. Let's get on with B. B says V as in vine, victory, van. W. W says W as in win, want, wind. W is sometimes combined with H to say W and R to say R as in white, right. W is sometimes combined with vowels like O, A, E as in crow, paw, blue. X. X makes the sound x. Fox, mix, fax. Y has three sounds. A consonant sound of yellow, your, yet. And a short vowel I sound as in funny, silly, mystery. And then a long I sound as in sky, by, my, cycle. So we can see that Y can act both as a vowel and a consonant when it comes to sound. And the last one, Z. It has got one sound, Z as in zoo, zone, lazy, buzz. Z is usually doubled when we add ing to it, buzzing and whizzing. So here we have all the alphabets with their various sounds. That's all for today. See you next. Subscribe to my channel and thank you. Goodbye.